Introduction to comparing fractions. Ordering fractions. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. How to compare fractions with the same denominator. 2. How to compare fractions with the same numerator. 3. How to easily compare improper fractions. 4. What happens to the value of a fraction when we add or subtract the same number from its numerator and denominator? 5. How to order fractions in the ascending-descending order. 6. How to order fractions in a number line. Introduction. Which fraction do you think is greater, a half or 1/3, 3/5 or 4/5, 2/3 or 3/4? How do you know this? Are you able to order 3 fractions from the smallest to the greatest? What would you do first? What happens to the fraction when we decrease only the numerator? Denominator. What happens to the fraction when we increase both numerator and denominator by the same number? By a different number? All these questions will be answered during the explanation provided in this guide. A number of examples are also used to illustrate each rule regarding comparison of fractions. That is all for introduction to comparing fractions. Ordering fractions. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 3.3.1, Comparing Fractions with the Same Denominator. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.